Hey, my name is Meryl Duke and I'm a professional bartender, and I'm going to share with you how to set up a portable bar in your house. So you want to have a party and you don't maybe have the space for it, or you do have the space but you don't have a actual built-in bar, or you don't have a even big kitchen. I have a tiny little kitchen, and I'm going to show you how I set up a little bar station. So if you hire a bartender or you just want alcohol kind of displayed as if it's at a bar, this is a great way to do it. It's portable, so that means you can take it up and down, and it's versatile. You can use these items for other things throughout the year if you have other parties. So I'm going to show you how to set up a portable bar and also the other things that I use in my bar setup. So let's get into this. So here I have this Go Bar kit. It's actually my portable bar kit. I don't actually offer it with my services when they hire me, and it's something that people can rent from me just because it is a little bit to set up. I've actually used this 15 times. It's awesome. So. So the next thing I would do is I actually have this 6-foot table, which I got on Amazon. It's really awesome. I'm just gonna move this over. And it's adjustable. So it's kind of more bar height. It has 3 different settings. It can be really low, or it can be high, or regular range. And it's super awesome because, again, I can fit this in my car. So what I do is I take just a black tablecloth that I got on Amazon. This is for an 8-foot table, but you just drape it over here. This is actually what I got first before I got this bar table. Probably you can hear all this noise. So then you can just put this down, and I typically, they're the same height as the bar. So I usually drape it over the side because one side is typically going to be. And then I would connect these. So I also have another tablecloth I can put over this if I wanted to make it a little slicker, but if not, this is a great place where I can put my bar mats. I can put my bar mats over here too if people want to maybe say come to the bar from this side, or they want to come here, but I just transform my little dining room into a little bar. And I didn't have to rent one. These are tables that you're probably going to use throughout your entire year, so having this on hand is not a bad investment. Tablecloths are really inexpensive. I will link all of this down below for you, but here we have a basic bar setup that can make your whole house look like a bar. And set this up, I set this up in backyards, in garages, in warehouses, outside, you name it. So I hope you like this, and let me know down below what you've used to make a bar before. That would be really cool to hear. I've used, countertops, and I've used coffee tables. You can do a lot. You need a space. That's all you need. So, all right, well.